Hi everybody, today I want to show you how I make these reusable liners. For this I ended up using this fabric which is made of cotton. It's very soft and hypoallergenic. Now the first step was measuring how big I want the liners, and then I fold the fabric several times and finally cut it. And the next step was sewing the borders. And this is how they look. I make them bigger than the inserts, and it's just because I prefer to wrap them around and because I can fold them to have extra protection. Now you can use the liners in two different ways. The first one is placing it on top of the insert and then placing these two things together on top of the diaper, kind of like this. Or the second one, in which one you can place the insert inside of the diaper and then just place the liner on top of the diaper, like this. The liners will protect the cloth diaper, so the poo or any cream, whatever you're putting on your baby's butt, will not stain too much the diaper or the insert. And this is everything for today. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Bye!